Okay, Fetic. So now this boy, he dey stay for Benevento in Italy. So the girl wey born twins for her so, wey dey Jamie so. So now this boy, according to my people where they give me information, yes, because now this boy look for my trouble. After all, Imakuru no sugbo, eh? And I believe that na karma na come for you so Evans. Evans when they stay for Benevento. This boy they live with this girl where they Jamie so, where born twins so for Jamie. This Evans. If they live with her, 12 that they friend each other before. As they friend each other, so this very particular guy, Evans, very mannerless, very useless boy, very non-entity boy. Hi, God. As him with this girl called a date, so this boy called they tell this girl, say, take him for me. Meanwhile, this girl no know, say, this boy get plan. What done on there? So after everything, when this girl not confident taking for this boy can't they call this girl Barry, this Evans, that boy when I post the picture for my wall soon. He can't they call this girl barren woman, say you are a barren woman, you don't want to take him for me. Okay, oh. Then this girl, she was a lesbian. This girl was a lesbian in Italy before. She was a lesbian when this boy meet her. So after everything now, this girl not taking for this guy. This guy can't begin to beat this girl. He can't begin to beat him. Oh, they useless the girl life. Oh, they tell the girl make go road walk. Oh, tell the girl make go do a shower. Come oh, make her they give her money. This boy, because of say shorty when they do for Benevento, you know they pay. Now people wanna listen to my story. Oh, so after some more time, to prove this idiot Evans wrong, now this girl can't begin taking. As she taking for this boy, okay, now only Belle don't enter. Now, what we want to do? How we want to do this Belle now since Pikin don't enter now? You see, she say, me na barren woman, I not get womb to carry Pikin. You see, now they tell they deceive many of una women. If you get one Pikin or you be single, you not quit taking, they will begin to call you barren. That's so they be. Just to put you for a single mother gang. Some of these boys, you need to be very careful. If you are going out with a man, maybe after some months you didn't take him for him, and he's telling you, take him, are you a barren? My sister, Jekwe, say, be careful of this guy. Thank you. So, as this guy take him, based on say this boy, they love her. Based on say this boy, they show to her. Mind you, this boy, when also beat this girl. Now, so maltreat Evans, they maltreat this very particular girl when get baby for Jamie, so for her. So, as this girl can't get Belle, can't tell this boy, baby, I get Belle. The boy say, okay, keep on now. No problem, I want to marry you, I want to do this. Mind you, this boy not even tell this guy, say, he get one Pikin for Nigeria. I be 3 children, I be 4 children for Nigeria before. You see, as that boy does small, so 3 women. Then, as the boy can't tell the girl, okay, keep the baby now. I need them. Born for me. Because na so born they born. Job they not get. Money they not get. House back by they not they stay. They not get. Na to born for me. Now they know. Here ma waka. Na to born for me they know for their life. How can you imagine a man that has no job? A jobless man that does nothing. A wayward boy that does nothing. Rather to stay inside his room, pressing laptop, chasing after women. Go they tell you, say, baby, take it for me. And you, the woman, you got to take it for that jobless man. I know, say, joblessness is not a sin before. I don't say if man not get work today, go get tomorrow. But some boys, they are very in fact, joblessness, laziness, and it did their DNA. They can't walk. This boy go Shoroti. Instead of this boy Evans to go Shoroti go also, this boy will go Shoroti go there. He go put it for one place. They sleep there. Evans no go green bed money as his like he made them the way that they beg for Italy. Evans no go beg. Evans go begin they sleep. They pursue this girl. Say me this girl go do a shower kuna for a shower. After they don't do a shower for the finish, they come they say women are bad. Women in Europe, they're just responsible. They are doing a kuna. No, but now they send their kuna. You tell the girl make it not do a kuna again. Now she see they do a kuna a shower. You tell the girl. Imagine you go the date boy, he go they help you, they say, how many he go they call you, they tell you, say, baby, you don't reach there. How many man you don't carry? Shameless set of some men in Europe. Oh now see there they call women. Shameless single mother in Europe. Oh. Europe women are bad. Oh. And now be the baddest when we get for this Europe. When they say women are shower, a shower. Some of you go even plan with these women to thief these white people. People like Evans, OG working. You are a criminal. And this boy get 2 years for Italy. Very lazy idiot. As soon as you see and so, he walk now. Evans walk. As soon as they see that boy so, now to they go from one woman house to the another. Now to they give women belly up and down. Evans is jobless. Evans get 2 years. This boy no one walk. So they find girl we want get belly for her. Then, Muna listen to story day. My Nigerian people, we kuna come hear story and some of una will be men. Una go see innocent woman being a single mother now begin to insult them. Una hear the reason why some of them have become a single by this wayward, useless, non-entity, some guys, irresponsible boys. We know they make the rest irresponsible boys. They see men, women to marry again for Europe. They don't use all the old future wife they talk to single mothers finish for Europe. Out of 100% of ladies that are based in Europe, 99% are singles, single mothers, single fathers. I go make butter your vessel battle. So this Evans get 2 years. He document, he not use and work for 1 day. Now so different women place. Now this boy they go they draw tattoo. Now so tattoo now for this boy body from his head to toe na tattoo. Even inside nose. This boy get tattoo for inside nose. Even this boy get tattoo the way he useless rich. Very lazy boy. Waiting that boy can read. Only waiting go feel right. Now to curse women. As soon as see that boy write that so, now so that boy be for ground. Now say they disrespect all women wey give belle. Both the one wey dey Nigeria. After then, Evans can't discuss with this girl. Now also pity they beat this Poverina girl. For very equal. If you see this girl, very beautiful. Very beautiful. When this boy condemn, one conduce her to single mother of how many children? So, I pity man, I pity this boy. I pity the girl. Where we was Europe women don't see things. May God deliver some of us from their hand. Hey, God. You see that you draw tattoo but you think say be better person. Have an animal in human form. So after that, as you just see some of them for Facebook, so they're wayward, some of them wayward. Where? You just see the baby, I love you. At the beginning, you say, baby, I can't stay with you. Oh, baby. This same boy, and I don't know, they promise, if they write me for impulse, maybe I want to marry you. You are my future wife. You are the kind of woman I want to marry. I never knew that this same idiot, this egot of a guy, has 3 babies, mamas. How this guy not become single mamas, and the one with Nigeria, and the one when is about to become single mothers, Namona hear me. As this boy and this girl there, okay, fine. Okay, baby, I don't take it for you. Okay. Keep the baby. No problem. Now this girl can't keep the baby. Before you know, now this boy tell, Jamie don't suffer. Hey, Jesus, Jamie. You'll see some of them now. They hang, put on for their chest. I am a responsible father. Are you to know a responsible father? It is when you are working, when you are living with your family, not when you are living in another camp, leaving your kids and the mother beyond, allowing them to collect government money. For your mind now, you'll be father. You'll be father. Useless set of men. How they say they're not a responsible man? They're with your wife, they're your baby mama. They work. That makes you a real man. Don't be picking where government they take care of. Now you can't they brag. I'm picking. So, and I still get another 2 story of 2 ladies when they call me today. They are all story so pathetic. Europe some men. Una wayward, una uselessness, some of una. God forbid. No. This 2020, I felt tell una before the bar hot. We want ratificate, ratification, we say eradicate. We want why say boni avo bele bon one of Shegen nation ratificate sweeping them and packing them and throwing them into a pit. Everybody say nene bonia. Set your family because so after then, now this boy, based on as he wayward rich, he not get money. As he lazy, this boy, he not they work. This Evans not they work. He work now to sit down for Facebook, they toast women up and down. After then, he go beat that girl, John, and we get belle for him. So not be this boy can't bring plano. Can't tell this girl, say, girl, as he be now, can't go Jamie. I hear say that they pay Jamie. If you born for Jamie, that they pay people, that they pay the women. Can't carry belle, can't go Jamie. This same girl get 5 years document with passports in Italy. She has a great opportunity to get herself a job. You dey hear me so? She get opportunity to get a job. But this idiot, this nincompoop of an idiot of a boy called Evans deceived this woman to come to Germany just to come and be collecting money from German government. So that he will not take care of his responsibility as a man. He sent this girl, say make it come Germany, my people. She una the listing now. Later on, they say, Gemma, what about the stupid, lazy, idiotic men? We can send their women, we get belle for they say, go Gemma, go collect their money. That's why you see them. Now, the month does see and they have a pay one and yeah. They don't see pay una this month and now. The men now Sunday road, as they talk to you now, Sunday roads now where they come and collect German money. If una let them stop this benefit, if una let them stop the children benefit, Hi! After I no go suffer now. After all, I not depend on anybody. I'm a hard-working, hard-working woman. Hard-working woman. Yes! Jamie has stop a benefit. Yeah, so say. He's so say, my eyes strong, I can walk. I can hustle for myself because after I didn't depend on any of them. Now I go suffer now we be liability to them. When they are 24 hours, 6 years, 7 years, job you not go, school you not go. Now I go suffer, not be me. And they pity the other women when they say they not fit work, they are used to the government money. Don't be somebody like me where be say I don't even care about government money. Rather, I need to work with my hands. Why did God give us hands to work? Like seriously? Forget about this thing, no, not go area. Even there, say when I never dey stable. I see they carry fish, crayfish, pepper, but I see go they sell for different camp. Carry my Oma Jeep bicycle, they go different camps, see go they sell jewelry, sell you a hair, and many things like that. Talk less or save the what they concern me. Oh, now so this boy send this girl Tell this girl, say, make it come Jamie. Not be say, come Jamie, say, he want come settle down with her. But, he say, make it come Jamie, say, that they pay people money, say, if this girl just come born for Jamie, now, they go, they pay. Mama, baby, why so stupid here? Because of money. Now you send woman come. Make it come Jamie, come born. As this boy still send this woman now, and this same woman now, very stupid girls as well. Sorry to say, my dear. Because me no understand do now. Man go tell you, say you go there with man for us. You understand? Man go there with una, go they tell una say, come Jamie, come born. You know if you tell the man, say, baby, I know they come Jamie, come born. Come with me and you gotta go there, more go stay. More married together. No be to come stay government as. I bet some of una for instance, this one don't they chop this government money. Una don't just sit down una say una reason about una life. Say, what about say this government can't stop this benefit? How we wanted they survive? Una don't even think of this one, say. Because if they stop her, many of una go suffer way. Imagine. You understand? Imagine woman now when they ask for how many years they never work. How you want to work? For 6 years, 7 years, you are used to government money. How can you work? You not go even get the appetite to work. You not go feed because you are used to offer money, free money. Evans carry this girl. Call Jamie. Baka, make she come born for Jamie. She still born for Jamie now. Evans say one place not go let her stay. Evans say one place not go let him stay. The matter never still finish for there. The girl come Jamie now come born twins for her now. Beautiful girl and beautiful children. Every day na sorrow this boy they give this girl. Sorrow. Before the girl was fed up. This boy, I just see her for madam, I comment to my video to that. Just open man say, jobless man, enters. Now so this boy just to be. A lack of respect. Even this Evans, that boy so, If family, they respect her. Very waywardistic boy. I pity girl when go marry that boy. His son. If be have gone, I'll see come outside. I be man. Government they take care of pikin for your hand. You sit down for there, you are proud. I'm a man. Nonsense. So that one not finish for there. Evans. In luggage where get room a parlor. No let Evans stay house. He no let her stay one place. Evans begin they go France. They travel up and down. No week when Evans they travel, they go see different women. This boy, this Nigerian boy, when they call Evans, when they my war. So no week when this boy not they go different women. They use sham, they carry all of them up and down. Abandon that girl. Every time I saw some money, they ask Evans, they ask that girl, make it give her money, because now the same money now make Evans invite that, tell that girl, say make it come Jamie, come born. Now see and so, you never see two of them, they separate. Boko. They separate. Boko. Europe, Eruba was here. Eruba is so here. Eruba, yeah. Because I get many friends on my Facebook, the way they responsible, where they with their family, whether good or bad, they are still with their family. Respect to you all, and shout out to all responsible boys when they go about pregnancy all women up and down, toasting women up and down when they have baby mamas. Now this year be una end, and I will fish many of you out. Now they hear me so. I will fish una heart where all these boys when we say 3 baby mamas they born for, 3 women they born for. Then when get 3 baby mama, 4 baby mama. This year we will fish all of you out. Because you people are bringing disgrace to our society. In fact, to this society. You people are bringing disgrace to this country called Jamie. German people now call it take una responsibility. Later on, I go the native now go kill some of from inside. Oh lobruku. Olushi. This boy can't still leave this girl. Now, 2 of them not day. Two of them not them again now. This boy now. The one where they Nigeria, now so this boy wayward. Now so beat. The one with the girl where see they Nigeria. Now so this boy called Evans when them that my word to them. Now so he still beat that woman, put her. The woman one ring die, and the woman still wrong. But they see they deceive the woman with love. Not say some of us women they get fish, but person like me not get fish because from now till tomorrow, if you like preach, my own. So now so this Evans so they beat the woman when they Nigeria. Beat that woman, beat her. The same character where Evans carry come out from Nigeria. Now Evans carry come Italy. Evans carry that same character come Italy. Come they use on women. My people, my African brothers. Why now? Why some of you don't decided to be useless like this? Why some of you don't decided to be useless with a life like this in Europe? Why, Baron? First woman born for Evans, he not stay in hand. Second woman born 2 children for her. He not stay as that idiot young rich now. Now 3 women now. The next one now this boy doesn't move to now. They get there France. This boy don't get belly for her again. For this same idiot. Make una imagine with our brothers. Our brother they turn our women into. This Evans now. He don't still go meet another girl now. Go deceive the girl saying want marry him. He still give him belly. The girl now go nearly born now. The first picking when this boy fell born, when this girl with Jeremy buffer, this Evans not poster for your boy. He not grip poster. So that made the other girls when him they toast no say him dog born. And the trick when they did it, as in the way when they tell they trick women, they go tell the women say some of them when they talk to some of them they go tell the women say woman don't born for me, but I don't love the woman. I don't want to marry the woman. Now all these our women, Nigerian women, our black women, they fall the victim. Women, be careful of some guys when woman don't fair born for. Not all of them, no. Be careful of, I don't, una know say if I dey talk now, enter house, shameless woman, you know the shame, go marry, go get boyfriend, go do this, na so una dey talk. Egbe last shut up. Egbe o. Enu atale de egbe. Mbe ni, mo be le egbe boy na. Oye, boy, ma kan. Enu no really tell them ma kan. So, that's all the matter take play oh. Evans don't go give another girl belly for France. Another one still coming today say Evans, he doesn't get 1 month belly for Evans. Evans si agbomoju wetin, eru we useless, eru we foolish. Eru we wa foolish. Una see as our Nigerian men they deceive our beautiful women. If you see all these women now, the pictures when I get very totolashis women, very boy women, very gallant women. When this bastard do they use, I want to marry you till they deceive all over in Europe. This boy, they use marriage, they deceive all the women up and down. Most especially on this Facebook. So take this boy now, his name na Evans, so he can go change his name now to China so that una not go fit pronounce his name on Facebook. Una see have some women, some African men are wicked. I know if you bless some of una wey be the women. Man find idiot man like that. He come ask your honey, marry, baby, I love you, baby, I need a serious relationship. Based on you, the woman, you want to settle down. You go sit, you to accept. Thinking of this guy is really ready. My women, I beg you. I beg una. There are still, I know that there are still some good guys out there. I beg. Make una open una eye. You see some of these boys when they jobless, so. You see these boys when they jobless. Make una know they born for them again, oh. Una know. Una see some of these men, so. When they jobless, winner, ya strong go. Imagine, not be man, not be we see for Facebook that day. I think the man is a married man. When we go to pick plastic. Now all those, for example, now that man now single. If he toast girl now, the girl not go green. He go say because the man not get swag. And then all those kind men, now they hand working.